Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia'Skitchenette. Now I'm going to show you my new recipe. So sit back and relax. I hope you will like this recipe. So if you like this recipe, just give a thumbs up, share this video, and leave a comment in order to improve my cooking skills. And don't forget to subscribe to Leytenia'Skitchenette Kitchenette for more videos to watch. Hi guys, this is now my ready to serve veges with lentils, and I have here the meatballs, and I will serve this one with the bread. So this is a very healthy, yummy, simple food. Veges with lentils and eggs. Hi guys, let's start cooking. This is our hot oil. We will soak the garlic and the onions. Our recipe for today is lentils with veges and with eggs. Very simple vegetable soup. Okay, so we have here the celery, we will put all the vegetable. This is the white one is the eggplant. I cut into small cubes. Look at it. We will cook all together. Now the vegetable is already cooked, and we will add a half boiling water, and we will keep it boiling. When it is boiling, we will add the lentils. Now it's already boiling, so I will add the lentils. This is our lentils, and we will cook the lentils. When the lentils and vegetables is cooked, then we will add the beaten eggs, and we will taste, and then it will be ready to be served. This is a very easy to prepare and cook vegetable soup, veges with lentils and eggs. This is our lentil soup with veges and eggs. Look at this. So we're going to transfer here in our soup bowl here, and this will be ready to be served. And I'm going to serve this one together with the passion. This is now our lentil. Hi guys, this is now my ready to serve veges with lentils, and I have here the meatballs, and I will serve this one with the bread. So this is a very healthy, yummy, simple food. Veges with lentils and eggs. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Lentenia'Skitchenette Kitchenette. And I will see you in my next cooking time with Lentenia. God bless everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.